So today I'm going to show you how to check and refill your brake fluid. So for this I have .3, make sure you always have the right brake fluid. I'll put a link in the description of something similar. But basically you have your brake fluid that comes down here, and that reservoir, when you look to the side of the brake fluid reservoir, you're going to have something that says minimum and something that says maximum. If you're pretty low on here, you want to make sure you top this up. So this is actually kind of neat. Didn't realize this at first, but they actually have a little piece of plastic that pops off of here so that you can make the you can put your funnel in here and make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to take this off. It's very difficult to see because it's very clear. It's actually a good thing. So you want to put that up to that maximum and just return the cap. Okay, so that's all clipped back in. If you have very low brake fluid, a couple of causes could be you may have a leak near the wheels or near any of these connections. Make sure to get it checked out by a mechanic or replace the lines if you know how to do that yourself. The other thing is you may have low brake fluid because you are low on brake pads. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.